Oh my God.
He didn't want to race.
Really? What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz back here with another video. We are out at the local Wednesday night meet, and we're gonna walk around, see what we can find. I have in fact been spoiled from Gatlinburg. We got back earlier this week, but local meet still popping nonetheless. Let's walk around and see what we can find. It has been 30 seconds and the shit is already happening. Oh yes sir. Yo, how y'all? Oh my. Yo, how y'all feel about these vents? Hey, what y'all thinking? We got this Accord on tri-spokes. Reed, this is you all day, man. On some Volks in the front and tri-spokes in the rear. I thought these were like demon camber, whatever they're called, but no tint. Fishbowl on the Accord looks really good. I have not seen this car out of the meet in a minute, dude. But first of all, this is end goals when it comes to cars, right? Like this is in the top 3. 911, RS6 Avant, and R34 sedan. If I could have those in the driveway, I am coolin'. But lowered on some like fucking 20s, 22s or something, massive wheels. So if you guys can tell just how fucking big this thing is, these wheels fit it so good. The Sheesh Mama car is out here stepping on the VSXXs, if I'm not mistaken. Baller car. Then we got Lozu. He made it all the way back from Gatlinburg as well. Hello! Truck is looking great. They got the bed painted right before and then got a bunch of the stickers on as well. It was really cool. Seeing a local car in Gatlinburg, I saw a bunch actually, but just driving around like it was right here at home was crazy. My question, right, like I have my own opinions on Sheesh Factory or Sheesh Hunters or whatever. How did Sheesh Mama is stepping right now on some VSXXs, a little bit of low, RX-8. Where are the rest of the reps coming from, man? What do y'all do? Y'all gotta follow Mama Bear and get your shit together. Go get some real wheels and step it up. R32 we see every week. If anybody is interested in an R32, I don't know how much he's selling it for. What do we got? We got 104,000 miles, fully rebuilt to 35. Bro, he tripping, bro. Yo, Landon, what are you doing right now, man? When did you get a wagon? Put your coilovers back in. Hey! We found fucking Ryan. Oh, he bowling. Dude, oh my God. Yo, huge fan, bro. Dude. So nice to see you. Dude. The bikes have had enough. They're going out to do hood rat shit, I guess. Look who showed up. Baby, good evening. Good evening. Did you bring your Honda? Or did you bring the Ryan Honda? Ah, man. What's left on yours, dude, for real? Tires. Yeah, that's it? His GK Tech spacers, the hub size doesn't fit. Oh. TL stocks. You got it wobbling? Just run the 2 they don't even go over and get new tires, though. Just bull, dude. Mismatch town. Dog water. Don't matter. We got Tyler's car. Beautiful out here this evening. If you guys recognize this color, I will give you $1. Hauling ass for no reason. Yeah, they geeked over there. Geeked over there right now. I hope this is a 540, but dumped on some OEM stocks. Y'all can learn a lot from this man. This looks so good. It's functional. Sheesh police. Yo, somebody needs to write this dude a ticket for missing a bumper, bro. He's on some works. That's fire. If you guys remember the Mustang from Gatlinburg, he had a similar police livery like this. So I don't mind it, again, as a show car, but as something I drive every day, it's a little bit different. Yo, this Q50, Q60 on tandem is actually pretty good. Oh my God, is that a Laurel? Is that a Laurel?
Nah.
No?
It is a Nissan Leopard.
Oh, nice. Tell me about it.
This actually came with a CA.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's got a CA in it. DE, no T.
Oh, perfect.
But I did get the Borg Warner electric turbo kit.
Nice.
You can actually look that up. It's a real turbo kit.
CC, I didn't know you were making it to the local meet. Switching up the wheels on us as well. Go back on coils. If y'all know me, y'all know I don't know shit about muscle cars, but something tells me this one's expensive. Just by looking at it. Camaro SS, what do these go for nowadays? Is this the sought after one or what? The color is actually fucking gorgeous, so you guys can see that. Man, what is this like? Is this like a $30,000 car? Is this like an $80,000 car? Damn, seeing it rolling might be worth 35. I think we found what was smoking over here. I think he blew his shit up. Now, I don't know much about Velocitors. I don't know if they're reliable or not, but this one pulled in smoking like a based on what everybody was saying, they said head gasket. I'm gonna guess blown turbo. Oh, hell yeah, bro, you got it. Yo, do a kickflip. Do a kickflip. Yo, come on, man. That was fucking close.
So close.
Yo, we out here.
Yo, everyone subscribe to Fitz's YouTube right now,
bro.
Right now.
Go
I
down
don't care
in the
what
comments.
you're doing, you need to subscribe.
Fucking
right
let me
now.
know what you guys want to see on the channel. Drop everything.
We
Go
out
subscribe.
Here. We're out here.
Yo, he just turned it on again for like literally 5 seconds. Right, over here we got a couple of hitters. We got a CTSV in this beautiful cream color. Let me see if I can get this flake in here, this color. Very gorgeous. It's cool because it's stylish and it's on a fast car. It's very nice. F30 on some Apexis, I believe, and some meats in the rear of this thing. 2 very good cars. TLS Type X, I believe, on some Nismo 370 wheels. Hey, hit Carolina Wheel Repair up if you want to get those refinished, but very good car. There's a hurricane at home while we left, so there's debris like everywhere, including this fucking tree. I don't know what this guy's doing. I don't know if he's about to launch it or some shit.
Why you guys?
He ain't about it. He ain't about it.
Mouse livery?
Dude, a Mini, I see her every week. Dude, Dodge people love this carbon. They love this carbon look. Damn, bro, the Veloster's leaving. Oh man, I am so sorry. Oh my. Yo, he's got a whole, oh my glob, yo, look at this. Oh, I am so sorry. He's taking the back way out. Oh no, dude, look at this. Look at all this guy's oil. Ooh, dude, this is new. What is this? Little M2 or something over here? Lowered on some, I don't even know what. Maybe they're just OEM BMW wheels. Oh, M4, yo, I'm tripping. It just looked really small, but this forest green on here is so pretty. We got Zahar's car right here. Shout out to you, bro. I know you're watching right now. You're a real one. I fixed one of these wheels. It was this one. Yeah, do you guys see any curb rash on here? Oh, you don't? Oh, that's because I fixed it, bro. But it seems very clean. We should convince him to bag it or go like -20, but I love it. This little white Miata right here. I don't know what wheels this is on. 100 horsepower, dude. That's fucking hilarious. It's true, though. Clean little car. Knife check. Knife check. What you guys carrying? Oh.
I just bought this micro stick, poop stick. We got the
Boker Quaking automatic.
And
yo, carry.
I can't even do it. There we go.
Hey man, very nice. Ryan? Oh, double with the taser. He is strapped out here. Classic BMW look right here. These wheels on E90 chassis, very, very good. Little GC8. I think this is a GC8. Little right-hand drive Subaru, very clean. Silver on the bronze. I love this thing. Yo, this shit low-key sounds really mean. Oh my god. Again, don't tempt me with an S3, man. Don't. Hell yeah, dude. This mom or grandma in her car, that's sick. Dude, everybody always hauls ass leaving this meet. This shit is dumped. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, oh my god. Dude, all these Camaros hauling. Well, I guess it's all the Dodge people. Oh my. What is this dude doing? Dude. Yo, this guy's stomach is messed up, bro. We gotta get him some Pepto. Oh my. Yo, they are getting active tonight. Where's Danny when you need him? Oh! 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 Alright, yo, first person to get hit loses. There are crowds on both sides of this road. Oh my gosh. These cars are lined up so far down there, I'm actually kind of scared. This is easily longer than a quarter mile. Oh, this sounds like a Honda. Yo, I don't know what they keep doing, for real. Oh my god. Yo. Oh, that's Devin. Oh! Zahar going crazy. Damn, that wasn't even a good donut, bro. Wasn't even a good donut. Dude, whatever two-step is going on down there is insane. Also, they're lined up again. I don't know if they're going to hit it or not. This Camaro is fucking hauling ass. They're doing hood rat shit down there. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. What is that? What is that? Oh my my god. You knew it was a fucking 1.8, dude. Yo, hit it one time. That's... I would fucking love to own an S3. BMW. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, these two are racing, they're fucked. Bro. Yo, he's done. He is done. Yo, this dude doesn't give a fuck. Oh, he almost dumped it, bro. Does he not have a plate? He doesn't even have a type of plate. Why is he doing
You better take that right to try on.
Bro's life is folding in front of his eyes right now. Dude, they're being so stupid with cops here. Yo, shout out to this cop for being actually cool.
Hey, can you clear my residence? Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Hey, go get him!
They're so dumb. Oh yeah!
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, for the kids! Garner PD for the kids! Garner PD for the kids! Alright bro, is this your friend that just got pulled? What you think he's thinking right now?
He didn't want to race.
Really?
Yeah.
Him and the other GTI were getting it. Yeah, dude, I think competition and probably reckless. Yeah, there are cops and more cops. Yo, how bad they get you for, man? Yo, he's honestly, bro is lucky to be driving home right now. That easily could have been much worse.
They got my boy bad.
Yeah, yo, what'd they get him for? What'd they get him for?
They gave him reckless driving and street racing.
And competition?
Yep.
Oh my.
How many points is that?
A lot. Now I'm ending the video. Genuinely, he is lucky that he didn't get arrested and his shit impounded. He did end up with a competition and a reckless ticket. So best of luck to homeboy, but man, getting pulled over in front of the whole meet, that's gotta be bad, man. Just don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Fitz Miller, back here with another video. Out of pocket today, but we will see you guys in the next one.